Today we will study how to find out the sum of the nth term which are in AP. So let's study. Sn is equal to, which denotes the sum of all terms which are in AP. So nth term, if in the sequence there are n terms, so sum of n terms is denoted by Sn. So the formula for this n upon 2, n denotes the number of terms in the sequence, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket complete. So what is Sn's formula? Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n denotes the nth term. How many terms are there in the sequence? And in this formula we are going to study the practice set 3.3. So let's study the first example. Practice set 3.3. In this first example, they have said that first term is 6, common difference is 3, and we have to find out S27. So by using the Sn's formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 plus, into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n's value we have to find out 27th, sum of 27th terms. So n's value is 27 upon 2. Here I will write S27. 2 into 8. A's value is 6. I'll put it in this. Plus n minus 1. N is 27. Because I want to find out the sum of 27 numbers. So 27 minus 1 into d. D's value is given 3. To solve this, we will solve first bracket. So multiply 2 multiplied by 6, it would be 12 plus 27 minus 1, it is 26 into 3. Now we are going to multiply these two, and these, whatever the answer will come, that we will have to add in this 12. So we will get S27 is equal to 27 upon 2. In the bracket 12 plus, what is the multiplication of this? 3 6 are 18. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 78. 27 upon 2. Now we have to do the addition of these two. If you add these two, we will get the answer 90. 27 multiplied by 90 divided by 2. 90 we can divide by 2. So we will get the answer 27 multiplied by 45. After multiplying this, we will get the answer 1250, which is the value of S27. Therefore, the sum of 27 terms is equal to 1250. Second example, find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. I want to find out the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. So first, here I will write the sequence. The given sequence is in AP. So we have to find out the sum of first 123 terms, even natural number. So even natural number starts from 2, 4, 6, 8 and up to 123 terms. I don't know the last term, so I have written here 123 terms. In this sequence, we have total numbers of the term is 123. A's value is 2, D's value T2 minus T1, 4 minus 2, answer is 2. N's value is total 123 terms. So using formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N 123 upon 2. 2 into A's value is 2 plus n again 123 minus 1 into d. D's value also we have 2. I'll put it in this. To solve this, 123 upon 2, I'll keep it as it is. Here I have to find out 123 sums. So 123 upon 2 in the bracket, 2 2s are 4 plus 122 into 2. So 122 into 2. 4 plus their multiplication will get the answer 244. 123 upon 2, the addition of this is 248. 248 it is divisible by 2. I will divide it. So I will get 123 multiplied by, if you divide it, you will get the answer 124. Now we will have the calculation. After multiplication we will get the answer 15,250. Third example, find the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350. Here we have to make the list of the even numbers from 1 to 350. So solution, the given sequence is an 80. So therefore sequence is even numbers. So it starts from 2, 4, 6, 8 and up to 350. Up to 350 means last even number would be 350. So here we will get A's value is 2, D's value is equal to 4 minus 2, it is 2. And here we have the last term, Tn is equal to 350. This example we can solve by two formulas. So first we can use the essence formula, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. So to use this formula, I should know the value of n, which I don't know. So first we have to find out the n's value with the help of a Tn's formula. So why Tn's formula? Because I have the term of Tn. So to use this formula, I have the A's value, D's value, but n's value is unknown. So for that, I use the Tn's formula, A plus n minus 1 into b. By using this formula, I will get the value of n. So Tn is nothing but 350 is equal to A is 2, n is unknown, minus 1 into d. D's value is 2. To transfer it on this side, 350 minus 2 plus, is equal to, on that side, n minus 1 into 2 will have. Their answer is 348 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Either you can multiply these n minus 1 by these 2, or these 2 you can transfer it on this side. So it will be in the division. So 348 divided by 2 is equal to, on this side, n minus 1 below. Division, it is 174 is equal to n minus 1. 1 transfer it on this side. So 174 plus 1 is equal to n. So therefore n is equal to, we will take the 175. So what is the meaning of this? From 1 to 350, there are 175 terms which are even natural numbers. So now we have the A's value, we have the D's value, we have the n's value. We can use the formula of SI and we'll solve this example. Here we have got the n's value is equal to 175. Now we have all the terms which is helpful in this formula. So we'll put it in this. We will get our answer 800 and 175. So 175 upon 2 into A's value is 2 plus, now we have got 175 minus 1 into D. D's value is also 2. 175 upon 2 as it is. First we will solve the bracket. 2 2s are 4 plus subtraction of this, it is 174 multiplied by 175 upon 2. To solve this bracket, if you have to multiply this, so you will get the answer 348. Add these two. After adding it, S 175 is equal to 175 upon 2. In another bracket, here we have to add this two, so we will get the answer 350. This is divisible by 2, we can divide it. So we will get the answer 175 multiplied by, if you divide it, we will get the answer 176. After multiplication, we will get the answer. So this is the sum of 175 even natural numbers. Here in fourth example, in an AP, 19th term is given 52, means T19 is equal to 52. And one more term is given T38. Its value is 128. So we have to find out the 56th term. To find out this 56th term, here we will use the TN's formula. So T19 we have got it by using TN's formula. So by using formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is T19? So T19 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T19 value is given 52. Here A is unknown, but n's value is 19. So 19 minus 1 into D. After solving, we will get A plus 18D. This is rearrange the equation. So A plus 18D is equal to 52, and this is my first equation. Similarly, we will find the second equation by using this. So T38 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T38 value is 128 is equal to A's value, it is unknown, and n is 38. So I will use it 38 minus 1 into D. 128 is equal to A plus 38 minus 1, that is 37 into D. If you rearrange it, so A plus 37D is equal to 128, which is my second equation. In this equation, your 19 terms are there, your 38 terms are there. So we want to find out the sum of 56 terms. So I think I have to add these 19 terms and 38 terms first. I will have the sum of these two terms first. Okay, so here if I add this equation 1 plus equation 2. So A plus 18D is equal to 52. A plus 37D is equal to 128. After addition, we will get 2A plus 8 plus 7, 55, and here 55 we will get the answer is equal to. If you add this, so here answer is 180. That means 2A plus 55D is equal to 180. Here we have got the new value, that is third equation. Now we have to find out the S56. So we will use the Sn's formula to find out S56. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. We want to find out S56. So n's value is 56. So 56 upon 2. 2A as it is, because A is unknown, D is unknown. Here we have the 56 value, so n is 56. Here we have the n's value, n is 56 minus 1 into d. Divide it, we will get the answer 28 into 2a plus 55d. Students, if you observe the third equation, here we have the value of 2a plus 55d, that means it is nothing but 180. So here also the bracket is same, so the bracket's value we can get it from third equation, that is 180. So I will put it in this, so 28 multiplied by 180. After multiplication, we will get the answer 5040. That means sum of 56 term is 5040. In this fifth example, they have given the activity, but I will solve it. You can complete this activity with the help of this solution. Here they have said that find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 140. And one more condition is given, which are divisible by 4. So here you can prepare your own examples. Instead of divisible by 4, you can take the example which is divisible by 5, which is divisible by 6, which is divisible by 7, etc. So here we will see which are divisible by 4. First we will see the sequence. So solution, given sequences in AP. The number starts from 1, but it is not divisible by 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here they have said that it starts from 1, but they have given the one more condition, it should be divisible by 4. So if it is divisible by 4, so my starting number, that is T1, it should be 4. So my sequence starts from 4. It is divisible by 4, so next number would be 8. So difference in between these two would be of 4, 12, 16, etc. Now what is the last number? 140. Check it, is it divisible by 4? Of course 140 is divisible by 4. Suppose 140, it won't be divisible by 4. So you have to check the previous numbers which will be the divisible by 4. But here we don't have a problem because 140 which is divisible by 4, that means I have got the 140 is the last number. But in this sequence, if we want to find out the sum of all these numbers, first I should know the A's value, B's value and N's value. But here we can get it, A's value, difference is D, that is 4, but we won't have the number of terms. How many number of terms are there in this sequence, that we have to find out. So this number we will find out, this n's value we will find out by using the Tn's formula. So Tn, here A is equal to 4, D is equal to 8 minus 4, that means 2. So first I will use the Tn's formula, 8 plus n minus 1 into Tn, last term 140, A is 4 plus n's value we want to find out minus 1 into D is 4. I will multiply inside the bracket plus, either you can multiply inside the bracket or transfer 4 on this side and then by 4 you can divide. So 4n minus 4. 4 minus 4 it will be cancelled. So you will get the answer 4n. 140. By 4 you can divide 140. Therefore n is equal to 140 upon 4. If you divide it, you will get the answer n is equal to 35. Now we will use the formula of Sn to find out the sum of 35 terms. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n's value we have got 35. So S35 is equal to 35 upon 2 into 2 into a's value is 4 plus n we have got 35 minus 1 into d is also 4. 35 upon 2 into 4 2s are 8 plus 35 minus 1 is 34 into 4. So here we have got the answer 8 plus multiply this. So we will get 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12 plus 1, 30. So 35 upon 2. If we will add these two, we will get the answer 144, which is divisible by 2. So after division, 35 multiplied by, if you divide it, we will get the answer 2 7s are 2 2s. After multiplication, we get the answer 2520. Students, suppose if they have told you that find the sum of the natural numbers between 1 to 140, the numbers which are divisible by 4. So here the sequence will start from 4, but the 140, instead of 140, we have to take the previous number. Why? Because they have said to find the natural numbers between 1 to 140. But here they have said find the natural numbers from 1 to 140. So we have to take the last number which is divisible by 4 as a TN, that is last term. I hope you have understood the concept of from and between numbers. So just practice it